gonna just film everything we're doing so everyone can see what we are up to here in India. I realized after 2 months. But yeah, and we've just been to, we've just seen Mount Everest, so we missed that. But this is a nice view too. Oh, I can't turn it around.
No, surely you can just...
Yeah, well, we'll figure out how we can turn it around later. But this is the view. So,
monastery.
yeah, so yeah, this is some monks running around. And yeah, we are about 2,500 meters above sea level.
So it's hard walking up the stairs.
It's very hard. We're struggling a lot, especially now because we haven't slept. We'll show you the hotel room or hostel room later on. But here are the clouds. Very nice. Very nice. What do you think, Joe?
It's alright, isn't it?
Exactly. So this is the view from our hotel. And there's no area. Here's our camping. But this is not no floor. So we thought we were gonna get this, but we got this. Thanks for the nice view. So this is us. Very nice hotel room. Very nice hotel room. So now we're at the tea garden. So pretty cool. So here we are now. Tea. And mountains. Yeah, it's nice to see a place where it's not like tea plantations all over the place. They left some trees. Usually it's all or nothing. But it's a mix here. Taking care of the nature. So nice. How cute they are. Kan ni prata svenska? Papegojor. You look Swedish. Förstår du mig? And we are back in a room again. So I'm going to show you a little bit more. So this is the view. Here we got the street. And yeah, you're not able to shut the window. You just can't. It's not possible. So obviously it's going to be loud.
And they're banging the drum.
yeah, when they're banging the drums, because that's the thing here when it's festival season. And here's our toilet. I'm not gonna show you the toilet because it's not working properly. But as you can see, here we got a bucket shower. Nice. Yeah, but we got a soap for free, so that's nice. So we decided to change the hotel, go to another one. And this one is a lot better. They got a proper shower and not a bucket shower. And it's clean. That's good. So we are quite tired now, but this afternoon I've been doing some yoga and Joe has been sleeping and I've been resting for a few hours. So now I'm gonna leave the room on the cash machine, get something to eat. I'm trying some tea. See which one we're gonna buy. I wish it was like this at home. So here we got some black tea, we got some green tea, some white tea, and some chocolate green tea. So we're just gonna go. Good morning. Today's trek day, and yeah, I don't know what time is it, Joe?
I don't know.
Well, we left the hotel at 6 and I think it's about 9 now. And we're still driving, we don't know what's going on, so we'll see. Now we're in a village and we still haven't started the trek. Who knows when that's gonna happen? Because now the guide is having his second cup of tea. Obviously, after 1 hour drive, we need to have another cup of tea. Yes. Pretty much up now.
Darjeeling's over there. And did you see that peak that they're getting there? Yeah. When did you see it from Darjeeling? Yeah. The third highest. Yeah.
Too bad it's so cloudy, so we can't see anything. But yeah, we're definitely in the clouds. Break. What do we think so far?
Easy.
Easy.
It's gonna be hard going down though, I think.
Yeah, because now we've been getting up here. It's 5k, 11k down. The trek is over and we're watching football. Yeah, and as you can see, it's very clear what's going on.
Yeah, we didn't know the score for a long time, but apparently there was a goal at the other end. So
yeah.
Now it's going to be a penalty shootout. So what's that?
Yeah.
There's the ref.
And yeah, the scoreboard was on the other side of over there, so we couldn't see that. But they played anyway.
गोल गोल भन्नुपर्छ कहाँ भिडियोमा गोल 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 गोल
Good morning. Now we're in the airport 3 hours before our flight. So it's time to go back to Mumbai, and we are very happy about that, excited to be back. But it has been really good. We've seen a lot of good things. The mountains, they were really good, and the tea plantations. Yesterday was a little bit of a disappointment because the weather was so bad, but it was nice to walk anyway. Yeah, but it's just interesting how everything is so backwards in India. They like the service and everything. That's just part of the experience. Yeah, so hope you like watching this video. So we'll see if we'll make another one next week and when we're going to Goa. Bye!